Hello kids, so this is revision time. As we have completed large numbers, so let's revise the large numbers. As you all have done in large number beyond 9999. So we have to do ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, like that. Thousand, 100,000. Place value and face value of large numbers, expanded form and standard form. Standard form means short form. You all know that. This is short form. Comparing numbers. Then we have forming numbers. We have done comparing means to take out the greater number or smaller number. Then we have forming numbers. Forming numbers means how to form the numbers. Indian and international system of numeration. So you all know the place value, how to put number under Indian and under international system of numeration. Successor and predecessor. Successor means in large number plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Then rounding off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and then Roman numbers. So let's revise large numbers. Here we have write the number for 918273 in both Indian and international system of numbers. So Indian system we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 3 ones, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9. So this is answer is 9,18,273. And international system we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here we have 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9. Means after 3 we have comma here. After 3 we have comma, then 2, 2. International after 3 and then 3. So we have 918,270. So this is the way how we place the numbers under Indian and under international place value. So how to form the greatest number and smallest number. You all know that if we have digit 639704, so greatest means descending order. Bigger, then smaller, then this, then this, then this, then this. So here we have 976430 means 9,76,430. Smallest means take care, we have to put the 0 in second place. We have to put the 0 in second place. So this is the smallest number. That is 3,04,679. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. For that, first we have two rules for that. First to count the digit. First see which one is greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that this one is the greatest one. Now you compare these three. Then now you have to come to the highest place. That is 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So you see the highest place. Here we have 90,000, 90,000, 45,000. So it is clear that this one is the smallest one. 45,872. Now compare these two numbers. Here we have same 90,000, 90,000. Now come to the next number. Here we have 400, 800. So this one is 90,402. Then we have 90,873. And the biggest one is 1,65,900. So this is the way to take out the number ascending order. First you count the digit, then you put the greater digit for the last, and then you take it out like that. So here we have write the successor and predecessor of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. We have 7,99,999. Predecessor means we have to take care of the number in the ones place. So here predecessor means 1 less. So 9 before it comes before 9, 8. All the number should be same. This is very easy way. Now come here. Successor means 1 plus. We have to do 1 plus here. So 9 plus 1 0. Carry over 9 plus 1 0. 9 plus 1 0. 9 plus 1 0. 9 plus 1 0. Here we have 8. So this is the way when we do addition of 1 to this number, it will be successor will be like this. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the successor of this number is 8 lakh. Now come to the next sum. Write the numerals for 45 lakh 8,271. For this first you put it like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 45 lakh. Lakh, 10 lakh. So come to here. Lakhs place. 45, 10, 45 lakh. 8,000. No number here. No number here. 8,271. So here we have this. So the answer is 45 lakh 8,271. Here we have 6,968,000. So millions means we have to put number international place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then we have millions, and then we have 10 millions. Here we have 6,968,000, 968,075. No number here means 0. So the number is 6968075. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the answer is this. Very short, I want to explain the Roman number that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 alphabets on which we formate Roman numerals. So this is V5, X10, L50, C100, D500, 1000. And 1 cannot be repeated more than 3 times. This is the rule. X we will take only 3 times. So here we have 4. Means when the smaller number is left side, we have minus. Here we have plus. When the smaller number is right side, we have plus. So these are the rules. According to that, you form your Roman numerals. So again, at the end, I want to explain you place value, face value. Face value is always the number itself. So it is very easy. Here, 3,456, we have face value 4. 147, we have place value 4. 54,378, we have place value 4. Here we have place value 7. Face value 7. Now the place value. For that, you go here this, then after this. So this is the 400. Here we have tens place. So here we have 40. Here 4 is 100, thousands place. So here we have 1000. Here 7 is tens place. So the place value is this one. So you have to do sums like that.